So yesterday, Luz Elena Mezarazos earned $23.98. Nancy Paridis earned $14.36. You can see here that these are real people, real earnings on this site. Now last week, Jose earned $85.64. Okay, so for those of you that might be thinking, yeah, but this is small amounts of money. Firstly, ask yourself the question, have you ever earned any money online from the other methods that you've seen on YouTube, and have you earned it consistently? If your answer is no, then give this method a try. If your answer is yes, then well, you can always go back to those methods. But this is not clickbait, this is no lies. These are real people, real earnings. The tasks here are quite easy to do, and anyone can do it from anywhere in the world as long as your country accepts PayPal payments. Yes, you need to have a verified PayPal address. You'll get paid out every Tuesday once you have over $10. Okay, you can do this from your phone as well. You don't need to have a PC or a laptop. So if you watch this video all the way till the end, I will show you exactly how you can get started with this site. And if you are new to this channel and you want to make real money consistently over and over again, then there's only 4 things you need to do. 1 is watch this video all the way till the end. 2, while you are watching this video, click the like button. 3, hit the subscribe button. And 4, take action, or you will never make any money online. Now the name of this site is Hivework, okay? It's hivemicro.com. But first, let me show you what type of tasks they give you. Okay, so as you can see here, this is $7 for 1,000 tasks. But you might be thinking, yeah, but this is too much for that little money. But wait, just wait a minute. I will show you just how easy these tasks are. Okay, so when you come into the website, you will see that the tasks you have not qualified for yet, you can take the qualification test. Now you can take the test as many times as you want, because the tests are very easy. I don't see how anyone can fail the test, because they show you exactly what you need to do just before they ask you to take a small test. It's not a whole test. It takes about 5 minutes. It's small test. It takes about 30 seconds. So let me just show you how you can do the transcription. Okay, it's not audio transcription. This is image transcription. Okay, so all you need to do is basically just type out what you see here. Okay, so if you don't understand the word, click nothing to transcribe. If you understand the word, okay, type it as you see it there. Now that word is fine, uppercase F-I-N-E, then click next. Okay, right here you see terrorism in a comma at the end. That's exactly how they want you to do it. So I've done those 2 at the moment. Okay, so I haven't earned anything because I've only done 2 tasks. But I currently have just 15 cents. If I did any more of those tasks, I would have earned more. But now let's go back to the more higher paying jobs. So we're gonna see what they want here. They'll show us exactly what to do in the qualification test. Okay, now it says label text boxes. Okay, so we start the test. And right here you can see what they want you to do. Your job is to classify all text boxes in a page. A text box can be a paragraph, heading, list, caption, footnote, table of contents, or pagination. You must classify 10 boxes on every page. Okay, so if it sounds foreign to you, don't worry, because they'll show you exactly how you need to use the tools. They give all the tools for you, so you can do it on their site fast and easy, and up to $10 or more a day. It all depends on you. Okay, so here they show you what they want. Do not label boxes that already have an orange box around them. Okay, and they show you here, it's an instructional video on how to use their tools. Okay, so this is more examples of how they want you to do it. And you take the section test. So the boxes around, the orange boxes here, you do not need to label any of those. Okay, so what you just do is this. select the lasso. Okay, this is a paragraph. Done. Paragraph. Done. Paragraph. Done. And that's basically it, guys. There's nothing else to it. This is all you need to do. That's it. That's all you need to do, and there's nothing else to it. So as you can see, this is really easy. Okay, and you can earn up to this amount of money a day. Okay, but what I like to show you, okay, just put the test here. Wait, I'll take this test later. Is basically this. So the site I showed you yesterday, they actually also post their tasks on here. So those Hive work and Label Docs are basically partner sites. So you can also come over to Label Docs from here if you are done with the tasks here, or if you are tired of doing all the tasks here and have earned some money for the day, you can come over to Label Docs and start earning some more money. Okay, so this test right here, it's like a handwriting, is basically also transcription on the handwriting test, and it pays you to look up addresses. This one says box 5 words on the image, so they want you to look for certain words on the image and just box them. Now why they do this is basically for AI to read, to help the AI read. Okay, because sometimes companies want their documents transcribed. Okay, they want the machines to be able to transcribe the documents and save it online. Okay, so once they put in a search query for it in their database, they can easily find it. Okay, but this is not, there's more tasks down the bottom here. Okay, there's new jobs. You can also take qualification tests on these. You've got semantic segmentations, bounding, box poly, and these are all just a few of the tasks you can do. Okay, there's limitless earning potential for you guys. Okay, I would basically stay away from the lower earning tasks, leave that for someone else to do. Okay, I would just stick to higher earning tasks, like that earn over like $5 for 1,000 tasks, because basically it takes you up to 5 seconds to do it. Okay, 5 seconds, and then you can basically clear 1,000 tasks within the hour if you're really fast. Okay, so earning the amount of money I showed you here, okay, is not really hard. You can basically, if you stick to this method the whole day, if you do not have a job and you really need to earn money, by next week or by next week Tuesday, because you've got 7 days from today, you can literally make up to $100 if you really put in all the effort. Okay, as you can see here, it's not difficult to get up to $85. These guys are doing it. He did over 20,000 tasks. Okay, as you can see, this one did not, because he did all the smaller tasks which pay little money. But this guy did the right thing. Okay, went on the right path and earned some good money doing some awesome tasks that pay him this amount of money for 1,000 tasks. Okay, and you can do as well. Now just imagine what you can do with those earnings. Okay, it's like a real job. You'll be earning some money online, and with that money you can afford to fund other ventures if you want to. So guys, if you want to earn real money online, do not forget to take action. Watch all my videos, because I show you real methods to make money online. It's not clickbait stuff. Okay, this is real money, real methods which will help you to bring in some income into your home. Okay, you can afford to buy those shoes you wanted, you can afford a new phone, or you can afford to buy an affiliate course for some guru that you see online and earn even more money down the line. Okay, so consider clicking the subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos like this in the future.